morning all of you. Carbonyl compounds. In this video we are going to discuss about the IUPAC names of aldehyde part 1. We are going to write the number of structures here for that common name IUPAC name. The first member of aldehyde. Functional group for aldehyde is CHO, C double bond OH. One hydrogen is added to the aldehydic functional group. We will get the first aldehyde form, starting with the form, ending with the aldehyde. The formaldehyde name is derived from formic acid. IUPAC name, aldehyde IUPAC name end with ale. One carbon methane aldehyde Al, al or ale, methanol or methanal. Second member of aldehyde is one hydrogen atom is replaced by one methyl group CH3 CHO. Second member of aldehyde is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. IUPAC name 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond ene, aldehyde ale, ethanal or ethanol. And third member is isoprop. We know the structure CH3 CH3. This is isoprop. The fourth carbon is aldehydic carbon. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound? Iso 4 carbon butyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. We have to give numbering 1, 2, 3. Third carbon, second carbon, one methyl is present, and main chain containing 3 carbon atom, root word prop, carbon single bond ane, aldehyde ale. Propanal or propanol, second carbon contain 1 methyl. 2 methyl propanal or 2 methyl propanol is the IUPAC name of isobutyraldehyde. The next compound CH3 CHOCH3 methoxy and 1 CHO. How to give common name? Functional group attached carbon atom is alpha carbon, next carbon beta, next carbon gamma. When we give common name, alpha containing 1 methoxy. Therefore, in alpha carbon we have 1 methoxy. Alpha methoxy 3 carbon atom propionaldehyde. Alpha methoxy propionaldehyde. To give the IUPAC name, we have to give the number 1, 2, 3. As usual, 3 carbon prop, carbon single bond ane, aldehyde ale, propanal or propanol. Second carbon contain 1 methoxy, 2 methoxy propanal. IUPAC name of alpha methoxy propionaldehyde. Now I come to 4th carbon, come to 5th carbon, CH3, CH2, 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 CHO. The common name for this compound is valeraldehyde. What is IUPAC name? EC name How many carbon atom? 5 carbon atom pend, carbon single bond N, aldehyde Al. Pentanal or pentanal. Then double bonded aldehyde CH2. Double bond CH2. Glycerol undergo dehydration in presence of potassium bisulfate gives this compound acrolein or acrylic aldehyde. Acrolein or acrylic aldehyde. When we give numbering, the IUPAC name 3 carbon prop carbon double bond in aldehyde Al. Position of double bond 2 prop 2 enal or enal. Al or al. One hydrogen atom of acrolein is now replaced by one methyl. CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. How many carbon atom? 4 carbon atom. The common name is crotonaldehyde. Common name is crotonaldehyde. Crotonaldehyde. IUPAC name by giving number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon butane, carbon double bond in aldehyde Al. Position of double bond 2. But 2 in Al. But 2 in Al. Then come to one cyclic compound. See the molecular formula. Cyclohexane, not benzene, contain one aldehyde group and here one CH3 methyl group. Common name, functional group attached carbon atom alpha, this one is beta, third carbon is gamma. Gamma contain one methyl. So gamma methyl. Gamma methyl cyclohexanaldehyde. Cyclohexanaldehyde. IUPAC name, a new name. When we give numbering from the functional group attached to carbon atom, this is separately called carbaldehyde. 1, 2, 3. In cyclohexane, we are giving number. CHO is separately called carbaldehyde. Third carbon containing methyl group. So 3 methyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Carbaldehyde is the IUPAC name of this cyclic compound. Come to aromatic compound. C6H5 benzene ring CHO. Molecular formula C6H5CHO. We know the common name, a well-known compound, benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. What is the IUPAC name? Two names may be given. One is benzene carbaldehyde. Another one is, instead of phenyl, if you add one hydrogen, you will get formaldehyde. What is the IUPAC name of formaldehyde? 1 carbon meth, N, Al, methanal. One hydrogen atom of methanal is replaced by phenyl. Therefore, this is called phenyl methanal. One more compound. Compounds containing 2 functional groups. CHO, CHOH, third carbon CH2OH. Common name is glyceraldehyde. glyceraldehyde. Glycerol undergo oxidation gives glyceraldehyde. When we give numbering 1, 2, 3, the first preference goes to aldehydic functional group CHO. So, 3 carbon prop carbon single bond ane aldehyde ale propanol. Second and third carbon containing 2 hydroxy group. 2,3 dihydroxypropanol is the IUPAC name of glyceraldehyde. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.